All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the velocity time graph. And I'm going to put it on this front page here with all this stuff here. Now, what we want to do is we want to graph velocity and time. And I could drag the velocity and put it over here and drag the position, put it over there. But we don't have to actually do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select. So I'm just holding the mouse down and dragging here. Select that. And now I'm on a Mac. On the Chromebook, you're going to hold the Control key down. On a Mac, I hold the Command key down and I drag this. Notice it's letting me select these two columns without selecting the column in the middle. So this is a drag, and on a Macintosh, this is a command drag. On a PC or a Chromebook, it's a control drag. Hold the Control key down and drag it, okay? Try to do them all in one motion. This one in one motion, this one in one motion. In our experience, it gets sort of squirrely if you don't. Once you've done that, once you've selected those, make sure you've selected them to the same distance, right? The same row. You're going to insert a chart, and there it is, right? It does this nice little thing there. I don't actually want the line chart now because I kind of want to see the points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, so scroll down here, you want to do a scatter graph. Okay, because what we're going to do is stick a straight trend line through this thing, right? Okay. And you can make it a little bigger, like that. And then what I want to do is I want to add a trend line on that. So I click this, the three dots, edit the chart, brings that stuff back. Go over here to customize. And we don't really care about the grid lines. We're not going to do tangent lines on this. But I do want to go into series. So go on series, scroll down. You can choose a different symbol if you want, right? I don't really care. I'm going to go trend line. And what it does is it defaults to a linear trend line. That's what we want. That looks like a straight line. It's putting a line through it. And then we want to label it with the equation. Use the equation. So go down to label, choose use equation, and there it is. Look at that. That slope is the acceleration. We think, by the way, it should be 9.81, but it's not. It's 9.59 meters per second squared, right? But that's okay, right? There's friction, and I don't even know. Okay, so there it is. So that's that. I like to leave a little room right here so that I can write some words in there. This will make sense later on when we're comparing stuff, tangent lines to values in the data table. In fact, you might want to move this over a little bit. Okay, if I print this, what does it look like? Like that, fit to width. Okay, that works. Okay, anyway, that's how to make your velocity graph.